Hi everyone, I'm Erica from the Google AdWords team. In this video, we'll show you how to design an effective mobile site that will give your customers a rewarding experience, no matter what device they're on. We'll cover, first, speed, how to make your site load faster. Second, mobile friendliness, make it easy for the customer to use your website. Third, simplify. Simplify the navigation and make it uncomplicated to get around. And last but not least, conversions. Make it easy for potential customers to take the action you want on your site. Let's get started. When creating a mobile site, you'll want to take into account the smaller screen size of mobile devices, as well as how people use mobile devices when visiting websites on the go versus on their desktop computers. Make it easy for your customer to find what they're looking for, so they don't get frustrated and leave your site. Okay, let's look at how to help your site load quickly, so users on the move can get right to what they're looking for. With Google's PageSpeed Insights, you can check the speed score for your website and receive customized recommendations based on your website that can help your site load quicker. One way to keep your site up to speed is to compress your site's image files. Images are a great way to grab a potential customer's attention, but if your image size is too large, they can cause your site to be slow to load. Once you've got a potential customer to your website, you want to make it easy for them to use it. One way is to create a flexible, not fixed website, so it changes according to the size of a user's device, making sure your website will look the way it's supposed to across a variety of mobile screen sizes. This also means you'll only need to maintain one version of your site. Put the most important information and features towards the top of the page to keep visitors from having to scroll down to find what they need. And make sure any scrolling you do have is vertically oriented. Small or tightly packed links or buttons are more difficult for users to accurately press on a touchscreen. To prevent users from being frustrated by accidentally hitting the wrong button, tap targets should be made sufficiently large and given enough room between each other. Avoid using large blocks of text on your mobile site. If you have a lot to say, try using short bullet points instead. They're easier for visitors to scan and take less time to load. Now, let's look at how you can simplify the navigation on your site to help your mobile customers get to where they need to be in as few steps as possible. Think about your menu structure. What information do your mobile customers need most? Put that front and center. Keep multi-level menus to a minimum and avoid using rollovers as a way to display information, since they're not ideal for mobile devices. You also want to display clear back and home buttons on every screen, so visitors never lose their way. Here's a tip: use your logo as a home button. Next, make it easy for someone visiting your site to take the action you want, like filling out a form, finding your business, or making an online purchase. Here's how you can do this. Have a clear call to action. Clearly encourage users to call, fill out a form, or view your products or deals. Keep forms short and simple. Leave out any fields that aren't truly necessary. Make it simple for your mobile customers to enter information on your site. Use checkboxes, lists, and scroll menus wherever possible. If phone calls are important to your business, encourage people to call by using the Click to Call feature. This feature eliminates an extra step by displaying a clickable call button instead of your phone number. Feature your address or store locator on your site's landing page. Show visitors where you are by including maps and directions to your business. Use GPS to give visitors more personalized directions. Include a feature on your site that lets customers check the stock at their local store. And lastly, make sure your website is being indexed for web search.